Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. YouTubers, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all the net. Ismael Rosado is back. Yeah, well, I have something to show you today. Some people like to collect them, and as well, I do have my collection on them too. And it's the American Silver Eagle. An American Silver Eagle. There were it's a 1 ounce bullion coin with a face value of $1, and it was modified in addition to Adolf A. Wayman with the Liberty walking design of the used on the half dollar from 1916 to 1947. And the reverse design was 1986 to 2021 is Heralded Eagle by John Mercanti. And a new flying eagle designed by Emily S. Damstra was introduced in late 2021. So that changed the aspect of this coin. And yes, they are all around. Let me show you some of them here. Let me see if I can put this thing bigger. And put me, let's see. Let me get a little me here. Let me put myself leader, and I can show you in a bigger size what I want to show you. Okay, here we go. Look at these beautiful coins. 1988 MS67. Look at on the back. It have a very nice color. Look like gold on the back, but it's not gold. Yeah, these coins were produced on gold too. I don't want to talk about it because I don't have any. And this is a PES MS69, and this is a 2021. You can see it there. Beautiful coins. Look at the back. Here where it's chain on the back side. Let me see if I show you the other side. Maybe one of the older ones. And this is a MS61. It's a 2020. You can see it in there. They beautiful coins. They very big. Also, they have the proof. The proof look like a mirror. You can see it. This is a 2021 proof. You can see the mirror side. Look at on the back. Very beautiful coin. Very beautiful coin. And this is another 2004 proof. You can see how they look like. They very, very beautiful. And one of you guys that starting collecting, yeah, you can collect all the coins the way you want it. I'm going to show you more. This is a 2010. It's of course a beautiful coins. Look at on the back. Okay, this one I have it on the envelope. I don't want to take them out of the envelope, so I'm gonna show you the front part. This is a 2015. It's beautiful. The design of this Walker advertise that is very nice. Let me see if I can show in the back. No, I don't. I it's the same of the other one on the back side, but there is one that's chained. I don't have it with me here, and this is a 2010. Let me see if I can put them up. 2019. And yeah, they have different prices. They depend on what you want to do. You can find them very different prices in every coin shops. And it's a good coin for collecting them. And I hope you like this little short video about this coin. And yeah, I got an album with them also, so I have repeated, and some of them I don't have the old album for them. That's why I keeping this one on the back, and this one I keep it on the case so I can put them in the old album. I don't have the old one, but I will get them this week. So guys, give me a finger up and subscribe if you like this event just right now. And I hope you have enjoyed the video I put before. And I see you on my next video. Have a nice one, guys.